in the distance. Hello everybody, Daniel from Technology Will Save Us here. Today we are going to talk about resistors. My beautiful resistor bracelet. My resistor tie. It's a lot of kilo ohms of fashion right here. I was enjoying a little wind. Resistors do something amazing. They resist the flow of electricity. I can be a resistor too. Do your homework. No. So here it is. It was invented by a chap named Otis Boykin. It's measured in ohms. How does it work? It works by resisting the flow of electricity. How does it know which level of wind to be? Through resistors. This LED screen is just a small section of what you'd see normally in Times Square, Piccadilly Circus. But on the back, there are a couple of resistors. So look at the difference between these two resistors. The one I'm holding in my fingers is much bigger than the tiny one right below it on the LED screen. But they're probably doing the exact same thing in terms of resistance. Resistors can be found everywhere. Here you can see similar sizes to the one that I showed you in the very beginning on our DIY speaker kit. And check this out. How do they know which key I'm busy pressing at any one time? Oh, this is super cool, except it's not a resistor. Probably that and that resistor refer to which one of these is being pressed. That resistor there controls the brightness of the LED screen for the DIY gamer. And check this out. What is this beautiful device? I happened to see it on eBay and couldn't help myself because it's just absolutely gorgeous. This is a cassette player, old school cassettes. Your voice is so weird through this weird magnetic tape, isn't it? It records audio and plays back audio. So check that out. That is a resistor for sure. That looks like a resistor as well. In this example, the fluid is our electricity. And what we're going to do is see how a resistor might change or affect the flow of that electricity. So what we're going to do to demonstrate what the behavior of a resistor is we're going to use the standard kitchen sponge. I'm going to pour this juice into that carafe. What do you think is going to happen? It goes straight through, nothing stops it. It's like, welcome to happiness. And now, if I pour it through here, what do you think is going to happen? Look at that. It slows the flow of the water, the fluid, straight into the carafe. Let's see what happens if I put this thinner sponge in, this thinner resistor in. So, let's do a little test. Loads of resistance. That's going through so slowly. Look at that. Went through much faster. You see what I mean? Worked as I expected. Time for mic drop.